Ciao e benvenuti. Today we look at Italian prepositions. Prepositions are parts of speech used before nouns, pronouns, adverbs or verbs to show how these relate to other words within a sentence. They indicate the connection between words by providing details about direction, time, location, or by introducing an object. There are 9 prepositions in the Italian language: di, a, da, in, con, su, per, tra, fra, with the last 2 interchangeable. These prepositions are known as preposizioni semplici, simple prepositions, to distinguish them from compound prepositions. In this lesson, we will only focus on simple prepositions. We use preposition di, which is equivalent to English preposition of, to indicate possession, as in la borsa di Monica, origin, specifically where somebody is from, for example, sono di Venezia, age, as in un bambino di 10 anni, quality, like the material something is made of, and quantity. For example, una bottiglia di plastica, un bicchiere di latte, un libro di storia. We use preposition a, which is equivalent to English at or to, although not always, to indicate destination, the place you are going to. For example, vado a casa, vado a Roma. Location, the place where somebody or something is. For example, sono a casa, sono a Roma. The object benefiting from the action, as in io telefono a Marta, and the characteristics of an object. For example, una camicia a quadri. We use preposition da, equivalent to English preposition from, although not in all cases, to indicate origin, the place where somebody is coming from. For example, lui torna da scuola. Destination, specifically somebody's place or house. For example, loro vanno da Luisa. The function of an object. For example, un costume da bagno. The value of an object. For example, un anello da 2000 euro. The duration of an action that is still ongoing. For example, vivo in Italia da 2 anni. And when preposition da is followed by the infinitive, it indicates the need to do something. For example, ho tanto lavoro da fare. We use preposition in, which is equivalent to English prepositions in, to, and by, to indicate location, the place where somebody is. This is mainly used for the rooms in a house, as in sono in cucina, or for countries, as in abito in Italia. Destination, specifically when you walk into a shop. For example, andiamo in farmacia. And means of transport. For example, io viaggio in aereo. We use preposition con, which corresponds to English preposition with, to indicate company, the fact that we do something with somebody else, as in oggi io studio con Laura. Manner, the way we do something. For example, lei fa tutto con calma. And to indicate the use we make of an object, for example, tu tagli il prato con il tagliaerba. We use preposition su, equivalent to English on or about, to indicate position, usually on top of something, as in il gatto è su una panca. Or topic, as in un libro su Leonardo da Vinci. We use preposition per, for or to in English, to indicate purpose, like in the sentence preparo le valigie per andare in vacanza. An object benefiting from our action, as in questo è un regalo per Carla. Or duration, as in the sentence lei parte per un mese. We use prepositions tra and fra, which correspond to English between, among, and in, to indicate position, in between two things, for example, il gatto è tra due cani. Relationship, as in fra noi c'è amicizia. And periods of time, as in the sentence arrivo tra 10 minuti. Prepositions tra and fra are interchangeable, so you can use either. Time to practice now. Now pause the video and translate these sentences from Italian into English. Once you're done, resume the video to check the answers. And that's all for this lesson. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Grazie e arrivederci.